Do you want to permanently delete your YouTube channel? Then you have come to the right video. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your YouTube channel. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe so you can get more videos like this. I put a lot of effort in my videos. First, come to a browser of your choice. Could be Google, could be Microsoft Edge. Type in YouTube. Come to YouTube and make sure you have chosen the right account you want to delete your channel on. If you want to switch account, click on the logo, click on switch accounts, and make sure you are on the right account. Just click on YouTube Studio like this. In YouTube Studio, go to bottom left and click on the settings. Click on the channel, advanced settings, scroll down till you see remove YouTube content. After you have clicked on it, you need to sign in. Then you will have two options. I want to permanently delete my content, or I want to hide my content. You will need the second option to permanently delete your content. Click on it. If these options are okay for you, check them out. Then press on delete my content. Then to confirm, type in your channel name and press on delete my content. It may take a few minutes or a few days. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day.